Everyone thinks growing an agency means long hours, hiring more people, and constantly chasing the next big client. But what if I told you that's not the only way? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how AI and automation can completely break that exhausting cycle, letting you scale your agency into a recurring revenue SaaS business without adding staff and without burning out. If manual, repetitive work still dominates your day, then this video might just be your turning point. Hi, I'm Zero. If you're running an agency today, you've probably already felt it, the limits of the traditional model. You pour hours into manual outreach, content creation, and client communications. You juggle project deadlines, and no matter how much you push, growth feels slow because every step forward means more hires, more payroll, and more complexity. And here's the kicker: margins stay thin, usually stuck at 20 to 30%. The good news? You don't have to stay stuck. By becoming an AI-first agency, embedding AI and automation into your workflows, and then productizing that automation into a SaaS platform, you can multiply your capacity, reduce grunt work, and open scalable revenue streams. Think of it like this: you're upgrading from rowing a dinghy upstream to steering a motor yacht on calm waters. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, the tools you can use, strategies to grow, and the markets you should target. The traditional agency bottleneck. Most agencies handle their tasks the old-school way, writing every piece of content manually, researching leads one by one, managing client communication in endless email chains, assigning work and project management tools that help you stay organized, but don't actually reduce the amount of work. Growth in this setup means hiring more people, designers, writers, project managers, which increases your payroll and your headaches. And still, margins don't really move beyond that 20 to 30% range. It's like rowing your agency boat with muscle power alone, exhausting and inherently limited. How AI-first digital marketing agencies work. Now, imagine your agency as a super smart marketing team that never sleeps, working 24/7, learning from every action, and continually improving. Here's how today's AI-first agencies operate in practice. 1. Lightning-fast content creation. Feed a few ideas into ChatGPT or Jasper.ai, and you've got blog drafts, social posts, and ad copy instantly. Tools like Surfer SEO or ClearScope ensure they're SEO optimized before you even hit publish. 2. 24/7 conversational marketing. Chatbots such as ManyChat and Drift instantly engage visitors, qualify leads, and even book appointments while your team sleeps. 3. Continuous optimization. With tools like NADN, your workflows constantly improve themselves, reallocating budgets, testing creatives, and scaling top-performing campaigns automatically. The result? Agencies can serve 2-3x more clients, deliver results up to 40% faster, and push margins higher than ever before. Productizing into AI SaaS, a product launch that scales. Here's where it gets exciting. Instead of delivering these AI-powered services one client at a time, you package them into a SaaS product. Clients log in, launch their own campaigns, generate leads, and track performance, all through your platform. The AI does the heavy lifting in the background. Why this matters? Massive scale. Thousands of clients can use your platform at once without extra staff. Predictable income. Subscription revenue replaces one-off service fees, so you can forecast growth. Access to new markets. Small and mid-sized businesses can afford tools that used to be out of reach. To make this happen, use NADN to connect your AI tools and CRM systems. Build client-friendly dashboards with Firebase Studio. Host your backend with Supabase for security and real-time performance. The more you test and integrate, the more value and efficiency you unlock. Who should you sell your AI SaaS to? Traditional agencies who want to automate, AI-first agencies looking for white-label products, niche markets, podcast agencies, PR shops, e-commerce stores. How to reach them? Run webinars, build partnerships, and lean into community-driven marketing, monetization, and growth tips. Offer tiered subscriptions and even outcome-based pricing. Integrate deeply with CRMs for stickiness. Build communities around your product to keep people engaged. Keep upgrading your AI stack so you always stay relevant. So here's my question to you. What marketing task eats up the most time in your week? Drop it in the comments, and I'll help you figure out what to automate first. And don't forget to subscribe for detailed tutorials, ready-to-use templates, and a community of like-minded builders. Traditional agency growth has a ceiling. AI-first practices and SaaS productization smash right through it, giving you scale, better margins, and the freedom to grow without limits. With today's AI and automation toolboxes, building a smart, scalable business has never been easier. Let's lead the future and build AI-powered agencies together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.